Well, as you can see, there is two virtual related with a fashion magazine called Julia. The first one is about total sales from 2008 to 2011. As you can observe, the three first years, the total sales increased 10 units in each year. Nevertheless, from for 2011, the sales go down around 5 units. In the other hand, the readership from this magazine are around the from 25 to 50. That's because that's the principal readership range that the people stay increasing in year by year. So they has to be the targets that we could focus on because they will, in order to, they could find the content that they want to read in that magazine.